Hey everybody, it's Dave from the warehouse, and I wanted to share with you some of our Black Friday specials we're going to have this weekend. Just make sure you're signed up for those emails because you want to be one of the first to be able to shop. Doorbusters savings today started at 5 a.m. and they were going to change throughout the weekend. Today's Doorbuster sale is a backing fabric blowout. We've got 108-inch goods by the yard and in our KQ exclusive backpacks here, 3-yard, pre-cut. As I've always said, one of the best ways you can get your value and the easiest way to get that on the back of your quilt as quick as possible. Those are all going to be 25% off for 3 days only. Can't decide on a gift? Our holiday gift guide on our website is carefully curated for all your gift giving needs. Still can't decide? We've got gift cards for KeepsakeQuilting.com for all of your favorite quilters. Visit us on KeepsakeQuilting.com to place your order.